Welcome back, guys, to another video. What I want to go over in this video with you guys is actually the topic on Forex trading secrets, how to buy low and sell high. So right off the bat, guys, the easiest thing that you can do when you're trading, I know a lot of people that are looking at different time frames, but with me, I usually look at higher time frames down to smaller time frames. And we're going to do this by looking at the 4-hour time frame and then going down to the hour time frame. So what I usually do is I expand the charts to overall find where my major points of support resistance are for my trading range. So right here, right off the bat, this is my trading range right around this area right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the major points of support and resistance. So here's our major point of support. And then our point of resistance is right here. So you guys can see that what we're actually probably going to see pretty soon here is a reversal up to the upside right here. But I want you guys to take into consideration as well, I want you guys to take into consideration as well that we already are in the downtrend and we've kind of been channeling throughout this zone right here. So you guys can see we went up here, went back down. It's kind of testing the zone like it did here. So we could see it reverse to the upside and go up here. And what we also see is on the 4-hour chart, we have these dojis, all these little dojis right here. So I think this candle for the 4-hour candle is just kind of testing these zones like it did on that candle right here. And then I think it's going to probably start to reverse up. And also what you guys need to take into consideration too is we overall have a W pattern right here. Came down to the first leg of the W pattern, came back up to resistance, and then came back to the second leg of the W pattern. So what we could see here is a reversal to the upside. So hypothetically, this is a setup that I see. I would honestly buy this trade right now, buy market, because it's so low. And we could do that and figure out exactly what we do by bringing this to right here. Bring our stops right up there. Okay, perfect. And then our take profits would be at previous resistance right up here. And you guys can see that we have a stop loss at about 10 pips. Let's round up from 9.2 to 10 pips. So we have a 10 pip stop loss. And then we have a take profit at 76 pips. And honestly, with my stop loss, I would break it down a little bit more. Probably like right there would be good. The reason as to why I would bring my stop loss a little bit down below that point of resistance is because look at the past right here. When it came in and hit that resistance, it kind of broke through it. So maybe what this market could do is stop hunt a little bit, come through and break this resistance just a little bit, but I don't think it's really going to break it and go crazy. And even if it does break it, you guys need to realize we're risking 18 pips here. That is absolutely nothing compared to our reward at 76 pips. And this is a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, meaning that our take profit is basically 4 times bigger than our stop loss. It might be off a couple of pips, but realistically, it's a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio on this trade right here. So this is actually a good setup right here. And it's simply by using that strategy, buy low, sell high. So we're buying while it's low right here, putting a stop loss down here at previous resistance, then holding it out. And if you guys don't know how to use this tool, basically what we do when we use this tool is we put the black line at our entry for the current market price whenever we're buying or selling it. Then we put our stop loss at wherever our stop loss is going to be, and then our take profit at wherever our take profit is going to be. But this tool is very effective, not just to figure out the pips, but to figure out a risk reward ratio, because when we're trading, we always want to have 3-to-1 risk reward ratio at least, meaning that our take profit is going to be 3 times bigger than our stop loss. So right here, we have pretty much a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is very good. Thank you guys for coming on this video. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do, and I will see you guys in the next video.